Wow, something's going on here. Oh, hey. Hey, this is the Hoover Dam. We're getting there. Dang. Wow. Wow, I didn't realize it was this close to Las Vegas and stuff. Well, I guess it would be close. That would make sense. Wow. This place is cool. It's like a little unique, I think. Boulder City. Okay, not gonna really see anything yet. Alright, let's see. Oh gosh, I'm going too fast. Says the speed limit is 45. I was going considerably faster. Oh, there's a bridge over there. Looks fun. I like bridges. Uh-oh, got winds in the next mile. High-profile vehicles. Oh. They're talking about the side profile. Not like public profile. Ooh, here's the bridge. No stopping on bridge. Oh, I can't see anything. I can't see anything. The dam's supposed to be right over there, right? I don't see a thing. I can't see it. That was it. Oh well. Arizona, look at that. The Great Crayon State. Oh. Whoa, the water's lower than normal or something? Huh, that's weird. Wonder why they call it the Great Crayon State. Well, I saw water at least.